How to change Google Chrome language back to English? Okay, you can change from Spanish to English, or you can change from German to English, or any other language. You can change on Google Chrome. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you what is the language settings. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, first thing, just open your Chrome browser, and first thing we need to check before go ahead, that is our Chrome browser up to date or not. So just click on this three dot option, go to the help, and go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start updating automatically, and after update you have to just relaunch it. Okay, after reopen the Chrome, now just open the google.com. Okay, so there is a two type of language. First, if you want your search, if you search something and you want to search result in particular language, you can select the language. If you want only Google product language, if you want to change only Google product language, you can change. Okay, so in my case, if it is English, I want to change my Google product language, like this language, like this is all navigation language, I can change it. Okay, and then I will show you the how you can change your Google result language. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how you can change your navigation language, Google navigation language. So this is my language, which is English now, but maybe you have different, you want to change with change back to English. Okay, so just come to the google.com, and here you can see this setting option. You have to just select the third option from bottom at your right side, click on it, and now you have to just click on the first option, which is search setting. Now you will see this window. Now just come to this language option and click on this language option, and this is for this setting for which language you should your Google product be used, means this is a navigation language, like this language. Okay, so you can change as per your requirement. You can change with more language. By default is English but you can change with others. So select your language and just click on save, then your Google Chrome language will be changed. Now another language setting is for your search result. If you want your search result with the particular language, you can change it. So just click on this three dot option, go to the settings. At your right side, left side, there is a sidebar, so we need to select the language only. And okay, so there you can see the first option, prefer language. So you can prefer the language for the website will show contain in your preferred language when it's possible. So you can add the language from here. Okay, you can also search any language, so you can find out your favorites one and add it. Okay, so from here you can change your search result language. Okay, so you can add it, or you can also remove the language from here. You can change you can also make this is language used for this is translator language. You can also change from your Google Translator. Okay, if you want to change the translator language, you can just on the translator, you can change the language from here. Okay, you can also add the automatic translate the language, or never offer the language. Okay, this language will be never offer to translate this language. You can add some language if you don't want to translate the language from here. Just click on add language, it will be add here. Okay, so that is all setting, guys, language setting of Chrome. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.